Hello, everybody. This is Bugsy, and I'm Zagamaru, folks. Now, hold on for a minute. Okay, Bugs, you mind giving the people what they don't want to see? Oh, you mean blocking this out for a minute while we figure out how to get to where we're supposed to get at? I got that. Would you rather button? Okay, okay. Me and Sugamaru here are doing Would You Rather, but we're doing it in a very special kind of way. It's called Will You Press the Button, but basically, if you don't press the button, okay, show them how it goes, bro. Okay, if you press the button, if you press the button, it replaces a universal language. It replaces all languages with a universal languages of the world. But this language has no written form. Well, I mean, a universal language would be cool because then we'd all understand each other. But if there's no written language, how are we gonna fucking read books? Like that's kind of a thing. Like Bugsy, you're a writer, so wouldn't that be kind of eh? Yeah, that's why I wouldn't press it. Me neither. Okay, next one. Okay, like okay, all of them agree with us not to press the fucking button. Smart, smart folks. Okay, if I press the button, you will get married with the most beautiful woman in the world, but you'll have 100 children. You should really get skips on the show sometimes. Bro, you just want to rag on him because he's dating Will Lutz. Both of your sons are doing that, and you don't find anything weird about that at all. No, it is what it is. But no, 100 kids. Let's just say we got a certain uncle who basically has a lot of kids, and me and Atsumaru, we're keeping our kid in count at a very minimum. 2 or 3, man. 2 or 3. Just no more, no less. Oh wait a minute, me and Stocky can't have kids because her biology is kind of incompatible with mine. I'm sad. I'm sad now. Come on, I was like, okay, how about we just don't press this one because we both don't want it. Okay, but we gotta have something we disagree on. It's the only way this is gonna be fun. You'll be able to fly, but you'll lose your best friend. We already can fly, so yeah, I gotta say. Come on, give us something. Give us something that actually gives us kind of an ultimatum. You get one. You get one rule for your wish, but so does everyone else. Sakamoto. I mean, our magic is limited, but if we can get one rule for each wish where we don't have to, we don't, where we do, where our normal Chaos Lord rules don't apply, oh my fucking god, we'll press that button. But then again, everybody else will. But then again, it would cause a state of chaos now, wouldn't it? Yes, it would. That's what I'm fucking talking about. Let's press this button, man. But then again, we already have enough chaos in the world, and granted, with all the SJWs walking around, do we really want that? Oh yeah, you raise a good point. You raise a good point, brother. You raise a very good fucking point. fuck. You're right. You're right. You're right. Especially those SJWs might actually like wish for something like get all the men's balls come off. Like they just get ripped off. Yeah, yeah, but yeah. I think this could work with us just saying, okay, if we press this button and then we just think about counter arguments and not pressing the button. Or we find something that's so good we press the button anyway. Okay. Sounds awesome. Sounds like it makes sense. Everybody else pressed it. But we didn't. You can't die. You can't die, but but you can still be hurt and it will never kill you. But you were in a car accident, you're injured to the point where you would die, but you don't. So basically it's us being in living fucking agony, but we don't die. Uh yeah, but then again, we're Chaos Lords, so that shit happens to us anyways. Yeah, that's true. I mean, yeah, but at least, yeah, but us Chaos Lords can die, so we can actually fucking die. It just takes a lot to kill us. So yeah, but being the fact that you're in this kind of thing and there's no way out and you're in constant fucking pain. No, man, you want to die. And I hate to say that, but if you're injured to the point where you are in nothing but agony, you would totally want to die. Like if there was like no hope for you at all, like there's no hope that you would recover or anything like that. And you're just like you're just in agony. Okay, here's something that's a little bit more lighter for us. Mm, you live inside your dream home for free for the rest of your life, but you have to share it with your least favorite celebrity. Like, so you have a lot of least favorite celebrities, both YouTube and other in Hollywood. Oh my God! So it would be narrowed down to either Doug, Bill Cosby, um, Michael Bay, because Michael Bay is a celebrity director, or just any annoying YouTuber I can't stand. I have a huge list. But Bugsy, it'd be your dream home, man. Like a fucking like a gigantic fucking place with like yeah, since you don't like walking the stairs and stuff, an elevator so you can go up and down like you can go up and down stairs and shit. But dude, sharing it with Bill Cosby, sharing it with every annoying YouTuber I can't fucking stand like Keemstar. I mean, it's perfect. This is perfect. This is something I would actually want and consider and want. But I can't press that button on Suckermeyer. What about you? Oh fuck. I don't know, bro. I think I'd suck it up. Like if like really if honestly if I could, I would just suck it up. Me and Stocking would probably just treat that motherfucker like shit, so it wouldn't even matter. But yeah, if we were sharing if we were sharing with Michael Bay, man, but I would really like if it was my dream home. I'm sorry, Bugs, I gotta press it. Press it, bro. I don't judge you. I just couldn't do it, man. I couldn't do it. I have so many least favorite celebrities I don't like. It just just having them live with me would just be horrible. The hottest person in school. at school wants to be your friend, but you will not talk to this person. You will not talk to you in person or at school. So basically, you're just not gonna talk to this person because this person's so fucking hot. She won't talk to you, or he won't talk to you because he or she is too popular. Fuck that noise. Like if it was a chick, I'd just be like, oh man, really? So you like it's like if it's like a super popular friend of yours, you just can't talk to him. Fuck that noise. Yeah, I'm kind of with Ansakamara on that. That'd be like, that just defeats the point. It really fucking does. You will save humanity from ultimate evil, but you will never get the credit and would be blamed for the method of which you use for the rest of your life. We still deal with that shit on a daily basis anyway, so yeah, me and Ansakamaro, yeah, yeah, we have pretty. Oh shit. Yeah, it shit hit me too. What the? Oh no, this is the reason why kids you need to have water when you do these kinds of videos. Because when me and I took a start talking, both of us will get dry throat. Just like it's kind of a thing. Okay, will you press the button? Your consciousness is transferred into an artificial intelligence, basically making you into a god. But you will be forced to continue until the end of the universe, meaning you will be you will be the last being thinking in the universe. Fuck that. Yeah. I mean, what's the point of having immortality if you can't like give immortality to people you care about? Because fuck, me and you would be like, we'd be like giving immortality to people we care about so they can live alongside us, so it wouldn't be so fucking lonely. Or at least, I just think the whole putting yourself in artificial intelligence is a stupid idea anyway. Kind of like what the dude did in fucking fucking Sword Art Online. I'm like, dude, he's like, I don't think that we are friends. Motherfucker, you trapped everybody in Sword Art Online, bitch. Don't freaking say that. Don't freaking say that. You're not friends. Motherfucker, we wouldn't be friends anyway. Okay, hold on, guys. Good night. Sorry, I had to say to my girlfriend good night because we're doing this video and she was going to sleep, so I had to just do that real quick. Yeah, but that's the deal for Sword Art Online. Anyways, like we said, let's. Oh man, but what you mean? Joey Ducks, man. It's not her fault. She gets very happy. And texts me a bunch. I don't mind. I love the fact that I love the fact that she's like that. Let's say, but you know, because he found the happy medium. He found the happy medium of like a girl who's into him and not super stalkery into him. Wendy was never a part. Me and Wendy were never a thing. She just kept stalking me, and all that other stuff too. Okay, anyways, let's keep going. You can turn invisible, but when you turn, a half-naked clown follows you within 50. Oh God, that's even worse because then you could be like, you could accidentally grope your ass, and he's naked, and you might be stroking his balloon animal. Fuck that noise. You can control you can control people with your voice, but you might damage their brain. Fuck that. You live the perfect life, but nothing you ever do is private. Fuck that too, man. You are transported to Star Wars. You are transported to Star Wars to the Star Wars universe at the time of the films as Yoda's secret apprentice. Oh my god, that would be cool. Yoda's secret apprentice though, Bugsy, that would be the best ever. Your presence means that Luke will fail and die at some point in his journey. You and Leia must complete it for him. You will most likely fail. Bugsy, aren't you? Didn't you become a Jedi for a bit? Yeah, but then I broke the cardinal rule. I can't. Jedi's can't fuck. You can still use the Force, though, can't you? Yeah, yeah. I'm sort of an unofficial Jedi. Because I hate that shit. Like Jedi's can't. I mean, I get there's a reason because there's a reason the comic books like Jedi's can't fuck. But mostly it's because those Jedi's were fucking hormonal. And personally, whatever, love the Lord of the Sith or hate it, you gotta admit that whole Jedi's can't have love, can't be, can't be fucking, can't be with anybody or loving anybody because blah blah blah. That's stupid. Press the button anyway. Yeah, fuck yeah. I mean, yeah. Because if we do fail, at least we can say we're Yoda's fucking apprentices, bitch. You buy some Girl Scout cookies, but it costs you 350. 350. 350. 350. 350. About 350. Like this monster come out of the early contagious period and he says, I'm gonna need some help and then I'm gonna need about 350. Get out of here, you goddamn Scotland monster. Stop it, man. We ain't gonna give you any 350. Get the fuck out of here. I miss that joke. Yeah, now that chefs now that we don't have chef anymore, we probably will never have like freaking chef's parents, and they were the funniest to me. Yeah, it's always the fucking Loch Ness monster though. What the fuck is the Loch Ness monster gonna do with 350? What's he gonna do? I don't know. Fucking, I don't know, man. He's probably gonna go buy something for like $3.50. I don't fucking know. I'm like, why didn't I give it to him anyway? It's just like, it's not that much. Fuck, you can buy gum for that price. Or anything from the dollar menu. True, true. You can walk on water, but you can't drink it or use it. Example. So what? So it's either walk on water and you can't drink water. But but your body needs water. So like, what would you do? You know, you can't really have anything that's. Dude, does sparkling water count? Oh, dude, no. Sparkling water better not fucking count in there, but no. That's too fucking. I mean, walking on water would be cool. It would, but then you wouldn't be able to fucking drink it, and then you're just like, fuck. And you can't shower either, so that's just even harder. You gain the power to shapeshift into a large upright wolf being with enormous power. Oh, I thought he said enormous penis. at, at will and have complete control whilst you shapeshift. But the transformation process takes 5 minutes of excruciating. No, you're not even gonna look at it. No, look at that. That's painful. What the fuck? And what's the point of man? I'm a shapeshifter, and even I'd be like that. That's kind of a fucking jip. Okay, one more. Okay, how long we been doing this? 20 minutes, bro. You will never eat again. You will never eat again, and you cannot. You will never. You will never. You will never need to eat again. You cannot eat. You can't even eat even if you want to. Fuck that, dude. I'm sort of a freaking amateur chef, and even that's stupid. Okay. You have superpowers that allow you to improve any part of your body. Any part of your body up to inhuman capabilities, but you lose, you lose lifespan each time you use it. So you use your powers and then you get a shorter life. Fuck that noise too. The button is just like, okay, you get this, but then you get this, but do something shittier. You can have anything you ever want. You have anything. You can have anything you have ever wanted and desired, but you only have 3 days to live. Fuck that too. Fuck that too. I am totally fucking with you on that shit. What the fuck? So you can get anything you want, but you only have like 3 days to live, so you won't even really have enough time to enjoy it. That's fucking dumb. You will become happily married to your soul. I'm so more. Could you hit the will not? Oh, 10 years. Because it's been. Oh. Bro, you want a hug? Yeah. It's cool, bro. Yeah, 10 years today. Ryoko's died. Well, she isn't really dead, but the her I used to know is gone. Because when I brought her back, she didn't have any memories of me, but every memory of Tenchi. So yeah. So yeah, the Ryoko I knew, I loved. grown, grown attached to, had kids with, it's all gone. So hit the thing. Oh, so it's all right, bro. Yeah, I know. Okay, something a little lighter, hopefully. God dang button, please give us something light. You you you're successful, rich for the rest of your life. You don't have to never worry about having a job. You and never have to worry about having a job you don't want. But you never get to use the internet or watch television ever again. Fuck that too. I mean, the money would be cool for a lot of different things. You know, stuff we can give to like everybody. We could probably send a few a few thou to a bunch of charities, or half a million to a bunch of charities. But not using the internet or watching TV again. Fuck that. Yeah, the risk ain't worth the reward. I mean, the reward isn't worth the risk. You have full ability to explore the deep sea without being able to withstand any pressure or danger without dying. But the sea creatures will get hangry and then find you very tasty, and you will likely get and getting eaten will traumatize you for life. No. Yeah, I mean, like, we really want to get eaten by the freaking creepy ass creatures of the deep? If you ever really watch the documentary, there's a lot of creepy shit down at the bottom of the ocean. And fuck that, no. You can make anyone you desire fall in love with you forever, but your closest family member will despise you. I would never want you. I would never want you, Zan, or Hard to even despise me, not even for a minute. I couldn't do it. Yeah, like these seriously, these fucking answers. They get more dark and depressing as we're going on. You will work for Microsoft and get paid millions, but you can't use Microsoft. You know, but PCs though, Bugsy. Ah, come on. Well, I mean, but our PCs, dude. I do it. Do I even have to say it? Do I even have to fucking say it? You get tickets to your favorite band at a concert at a stadium, but the rain is it's pouring raining at the stadium during the concert. Well, we would go in the pouring rain. We'd fucking have an umbrella. Fuck that, Bugsy. I'd have a fucking like some sort of fucking like tent over us. It'd be like a goddamn tarp. Because I wouldn't. Because we would see. Because you know who I'd like to see in concert, and even though I know this would never happen, I'd like to see Summers in concert, or at least like Dwayne and Brando in concert, or Breno Floss. You know, because Breno Floss used to do a lot of concerts, Bugsy, if you remember correctly. Okay, Time Warner offers downloads, download speeds, free download speeds for everyone in the USA. But they're all having technical all the technicians are sounding like Justin Bieber and grant free and services free. Granted, you sing "Baby, Baby, Baby" all the way through. Oh my god! No! You think we'd have to learn the fucking song? Fuck that shit. I I don't freaking hate Justin Bieber because let's just say there's a lot of other people who suck equally as hard as Justin Bieber. I like we all thought fucking he was bad, but then Logan and Jake Paul came and they were like, we could be even shittier. We're the true epitome of what happens when a bunch of fucking douchebags who don't need to be famous are famous. Okay, one more, buds. We gotta do one more. You have it. You have your dream house and you're rich, but your house is haunted by a demon that won't go away and follows you everywhere you go. So it wouldn't be Chappie following me because technically he is a devil. So does that mean he won't be following me? Probably someone else. Probably someone called Felicia Shard. That sounds gross. Yes, it does. Well, fuck that. We will not. Bugsy, we're done here. Yeah, bro, this was dumb. Like, let's just play Would You Rather next time. Yeah, because most of this shit is getting morbid. Like, if we go any further, I bet you we're gonna see Cthulhu be like, we're gonna hear his forbidden language. We're gonna hear knowledge that should never be spoken of. The unforbidden, the forbidden silence. The forbidden song. Bugsy, don't. All right. This is we're done. Yeah, man, yeah. We hope you enjoyed that, and we hope you enjoyed our little, well, basically showing what we won't do for certain things. Not saying we're pure boys, because in our mind, no one's pure. But you know, god dang, like all those freaking things, like you'll have this, but you'll lose your hearing. You have this, but you'll have a mouth. You'll have a mouth that's too big to close, so it's always like open. Do you have to? Did you have to use that reference? Yes, I did, and I am not sorry. Anyways, guys, see you later. You dumb. You're dumb. See you guys later, and keep it chaotic nation. I just say switch to Would You Rather. I think you're better off that way.